To activate your Fiat wallet on Crypto.com, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the Crypto.com app installed on your device and that you have completed the registration and verification process. Begin by logging into your Crypto.com account using your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section of the app. This section is typically represented by a wallet icon and can be found at the bottom of the screen. In the Wallet section, you will see a list of available wallets, including your crypto wallets and your Fiat wallet. To activate your Fiat wallet, select the Fiat wallet option. You may be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions of using the Fiat wallet, so be sure to read through these carefully before proceeding. Next, you will need to verify your identity and provide some additional information to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. This typically includes providing your name, address, and date of birth, as well as uploading a valid form of identification, such as a passport or driver's license. After submitting your information, Crypto.com will review your application and verify your identity. This process can take a few minutes to complete, so be patient and do not attempt to submit your application multiple times. Once your Fiat wallet is activated, you can use it to deposit and withdraw fiat currencies, such as US dollars or euros, and to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. To deposit funds into your Fiat wallet, navigate to the Deposit section of the app and select the fiat currency you wish to deposit. You will then be provided with the necessary payment details to complete the deposit. To withdraw funds from your Fiat wallet, navigate to the Withdraw section of the app and select the fiat currency you wish to withdraw. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw and to confirm the transaction. It is essential to keep in mind that the availability of Fiat wallet services may vary depending on your location, so be sure to check the Crypto.com website for more information on the services available in your region. Additionally, always ensure that you are using the latest version of the Crypto.com app to avoid any compatibility issues. By following these steps, you can easily activate your Fiat wallet on Crypto.com and start using it to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Remember to always follow best practices for securing your account and to only use reputable and trustworthy services when dealing with cryptocurrencies.